Good morning, everybody. Ooh, the sun is out today, finally. I get a lot of questions about overwintering flowers, and all these baskets here are overwintered. But, you know, the heuchera, the calabrocoas, these geraniums, they're all overwintered. Mums, these mums are overwintered. These are new. Here's some cuttings that I did with some of the plants that I overwintered. These are overwintered up here. These guys here, just pansies. Supertunias. These are bubblegum supertunias. Overwintered. Cuttings of mums need to be pinched back. Make them bushier. Forget the name of that one. These are overwintered. Yeah. It's not that hard to overwinter stuff. You just put it in, I have a greenhouse, of course, but, you know, put it in a cold frame or something. Mums overwintered. It's a geranium. Forget the name of it. It's got these little red flowers on it. Yeah. Overwinter stuff. I mean, why not? What could it possibly hurt? But I do have a greenhouse. It does help, I think, to have a greenhouse. I'm not gonna lie, I love my greenhouse. I love my greenhouse. I like coming out here in the winter time. These peas, these have got to go outside. We are getting into some sunny weather. These need to be hardened off before I plant them. So they're going to come out here to this little shelf area. I don't get why more people don't overwinter stuff. I mean, even if you just put them in the garage, you know, get yourself a grow light in the garage. It's not that hard. Whew, it's getting warm in here. I got 2 fans going. Drop you down a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna work on this support up here. I gotta get rid of my mailbox. Alrighty, get you up here. So I have this bracket up here. Whoa. That was a lot more give than I thought it was gonna get. This one I wanted to be up here, and I think it's just a screw. So I gotta take that screw out. Yeah, there we go. You just have to unthread this. One thing, if you're not prepared for it with these grapes, these little tendrils, man, they catch on everything. They hook themselves up for support. What's the temperature in here? What's the temperature? 78 degrees. This goes around like this. All right. Up here. Wrong way. Good enough. Doesn't have to be tight. There. All right. Now, I can start cutting these off above the line here. All right. Excellent. We'll just make our way down. This one, get rid of it. It's too long. Looking good, Lewis. Feeling good, Billy Ray. Those who know, know. Okay, we'll go there. Get out from underneath, but stay behind the catch wire. All right. I love it. I love it. That's much better. Nice and tidy. All right. This one is coming through, but I think it's gonna be all right. It should be fine. Job done. Compost bin. All right. That looks a lot better. Looking a lot better. And I'll keep it right at that top purlin. That'll just keep it so it's not digging into the apex or the crown of the greenhouse. It's getting too hot in here. I gotta get out of here. Go find something else to do. All right. You guys have a good day.